Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce to you 6 super popular babies' high chairs in the North American market in 2025 to help parents choose the most comfortable, safe, and practical high chairs for their babies. If you are looking for a high chair suitable for your baby, this video will definitely help you. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We'll get started right away. The first one, Slick Blue 6-in-1 Multifunctional Baby High Chair. Special highlights: 6-in-1 multifunctional, can be converted into an activity center, study table, building block table, and baby bathing chair to accompany your baby's growth. Height adjustable, easy to clean, waterproof leather seat cushion plus removable double-layer dinner plate, quickly wipe clean after meals, making parents less worried. The second is the Baby Trend Sit Right High Chair, which has a special highlight, 3-stage backrest adjustment, which allows the baby sit more comfortably. The 5-point safety belt prevents the baby from slipping and ensures better safety. The removable tray can be put in the dishwasher for cleaning, saving time and providing convenience. The third is the Costco Simple Fold Children's High Chair, Posy Pop model. Special highlights, lightweight and foldable, can be folded and opened in seconds, suitable for small families and traveling. The 3-point safety belt allows your baby to sit safely. The waterproof seat cushion can be cleaned with just a wipe, so moms no longer have to worry about the trouble of cleaning. The fourth is the Baby Trend Sit Right High Chair, different styles, special highlights, foldable design, does not take up space, easy to store. The thickened seat cushion provides more comfortable support for your baby. Adjustable footrest to adapt to babies of different ages. Fifth is the 3-in-1 Adjustable Baby's High Chair, wood design, special highlights, solid wood design, high texture plus super durable, suitable for long-term use. 3 modes to switch between high chair, study table, toddler chair, 1 chair for multiple uses. A comfortable soft cushion makes baby sit more comfortably and parents feel at ease. The 6th is the Costco Simple Fold Deluxe 3-section Foldable High Chair. Special highlights, 3-section backrest adjustment to adapt to the baby's growth needs. Folding design makes storage very convenient, a must-have for small families and travel. The non-slip base is stable and durable, making meals safer for babies. This is the North American Baby High Chair we will share with you in 2025. Each one has its own characteristics, and parents can choose the most suitable style according to the needs of their family. If you think this video is helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with more parents. Click the link below the video to view the Baby High Chair. Thank you for watching.